guys, welcome back to day 4 of our Orlando trip. Today we are going to Epcot, but first we're going to go to the Riviera since it's Hadley's birthday. He's turning 7 and we're going to go have breakfast with Minnie, Mickey, Donald and Daisy, and then we're heading to Epcot. So I'll see you when we get to the Riviera.
So I might show you what I got for my birthday too if you want to, so you might want to see what I got because it's really exciting. So I'm gonna go get what I got. Okay, so guys, I got these Roblox top trumps. They're really cool because they're Roblox. If you like playing Roblox Super Mario Odyssey game, I really wanted this game, but it's really expensive too. Only one little Lego car, and it's the one I wanted. Next, I've got this Lego Black Panther Red Hulk and the Iron Man set. Next, I got this brickhead, Lego Iron Man brickhead. We've got this Hulk monster truck. I got this Red Hulk Funko Pop. Got the Series 12 of the Marvel top trumps. This Captain America top. This is what I'm going to wear to Epcot, and the other day we're going to Epcot, okay? That's all I got except from the cards. So, yeah, so we'll see you at the Riviera. Bye.
What we got?
Want a pod juice? You want pod juice? Yeah, let's do a pod. And then I'll do 2 teas and a cup. All right.
Did you want a pop juice as well?
Yeah. That's your own story. Yeah.
Hello, Mickey. Look at Jojo. Get a picture of me with Minnie. Number 1, Donald is number 1. Go, Grimson.
Oh, I'm off the TikTok. Oh, look at that.
Uncle D wants a photo with Donald.
I want to get mine.
And do you want to get in, Gracie?
Blow out the candle. Yeah. There we go. It's edible though, that's good.
Mummy, let's turn around to Mummy.
Guys, we just had breakfast with Mickey, Minnie, Daisy and Donald, and it's pretty fun because I got my own birthday cake since it's my birthday. Did I, Gracie? Yep. It was chocolate flavoured and it was really nice, wasn't it, Gracie?
Yep.
So we've not eaten all of it because we don't want to be big piggies. So we're going to save it for the rest of the holiday and stay tuned for the Epcot video.
Yeah. So we're just going to go on the
Skyliner.
We're just going to go on the Skyliner to make our way to Epcot. So yeah, I'll get back to you when we're on the Skyliner. Yeah.
So you can see an alligator. Alligators.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot.
Made it to Epcot. So we're just about to go through the gates to actually enter. So yeah, I'll get back to you when we go on our first ride. Just about to go on Remy's Ratatouille adventure. But this one's not going to be in French this time, it's actually all going to be in English.
Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Here they are, Remy. Les invités pour le dîner.
Yes, what here? Hein? Pour le repas idéal. Encore un? Non. C'est pour un, oui. 2 secondes.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it! What are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? Out of my way! rapidement 4 ratatouilles pour la carte. Oui, ma chérie.
for you, lazy.
Hey guys, we're off to Nemo, the Nemo ride now. So I'll probably film a bit of it, show you the aquarium at the end.
I also like
yeah.
Ratatouille.
Oh yeah, we went on Ratatouille, it was awesome like usual. It was in French though, which I found was pretty strange. I thought they'd changed it, but no. But no, Hadley loved that one as well. So, yeah.
I am looking for my son.
Oh, I can help.
It's Nemo.
Where?
No, that's right.
Totally, dudes.
All of them are out there for me. In the big blue world, it's a journey that never ends. Hammerhead.
Guys, so we're just entering the queue for Guardians of the Galaxy. It's a 45-minute wait, so hopefully it goes by quick. Gosh guys, that was probably the best ride of this holiday so far. That was so good. We had Everybody Wants to Rule the World as our song, which was probably one of the songs that I did want. But yeah, I just picked up a Cosmic Rewind pin to go with my attractions, and Hadley just picked up a mystery box, was in it? And a group pin since he collects Marvel. So
I'm gonna open my mystery box.
yeah, I think we're just gonna go to the toilet and then we're just gonna have a little wander around and do test track, I think, because I'm pretty sure we've still got quite a while into our next lightning lane, and I'm pretty sure it's frozen. So yeah, I'll keep you updated like usual. So yeah, I'll get back to you in a minute.
So I got this mystery Guardians of the Galaxy.
Wait, let's see who can you get. What can you get?
You can get all of these. You can get 2 in 1 pack.
Yeah.
So
which one do you want?
I want all of them since I like the Guardians anyway, don't I, Rosie?
Yeah. And how much was it? $23?
I think so.
Yeah. And you get 2 pins, don't you?
Yeah, so yeah, let's open it. I've got these 2 mystery pins, and I'm really excited to see what ones I get. So there's also 2 bags. Bag 1.
Yeah. Do you want to open that one? Do you want to hold there? I hope you get Groot.
The Groot one, yeah, the Groot one is kind of cool. Rose, can you open it again? It is the giant evil robot.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah,
That one's cool.
That one's cool. Grace, can you keep hold
Yep.
of it?
Who's in your other one?
My other bag.
Mhm.
And we
Who's
got
in
this.
here? Oh my god, it's Groot! That's awesome!
Yeah.
Guys, so it's been raining for the past couple of minutes, so test track's down. So we're just waiting here until it goes back up.
I've also been a fatty and ate some cake.
Okay, so we've been waiting here for like an hour. But since we've been waiting for so long, I think we're just going to keep on waiting until we can do it. And it's open now. But when we're waiting, me and Dad popped to Creations, and I got some of the newer hidden
Can we
keys.
just do this if you do this
Let
now?
me show
Don't
you.
bother doing it again. I'll
So first of all, I got
just do this once
Tramp,
and that's it.
then Orange Bird from Wave B, then I got Dory and Thumper from Wave A, and this is Hadley's pin that he traded for, but his board's too full, so I just put it on mine for now. But yeah, I feel like we did really good, which is good. Okay guys, we just came off the test track. It was so fun. I'm just a bit sad that we couldn't like make your car again. Because that used to be my favourite bit when I came here. But now we've just left. But like, look at the cars whilst you're leaving. They're awesome. So yeah. I think we're going to Soaring now. Or Frozen, one of the two. But I'll tell you guys when we get there. Hey guys, so we just came off of Soaring. It was really good. Like usual, really liked it, really fun. It smelled so nice. Like I said, we went to like the Hawaii scene and I thought it smelled nice and all the animals walked by, but Mum said otherwise. But we're going to Frozen next, aren't we?
No, we're going to the Living with the Land first.
No, we're going to Living with the Land, so literally just right across.
We're going to what?
Okay, so Hadley just got another Groot mystery pin. Which one is it? So he's got Spider-Man and Captain America. Who is it?
Iron Man!
Iron Man, a new one.
Wow!
That's good, isn't it?
Yes!
Slay.
Oh my god.
Anyway, we are heading over to Norway to go on Frozen. And when Hadley bought that, I got another Hidden Mickey one of the newer ones. The Mickey Mouse cupcake from Wave B. So that's very exciting. But yeah, now we're just continuing to walk to Norway because we've got a fast pass for Frozen.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. You're going to Elsa's ice palace. Let's go. I'll go and it'll be so beautiful. See you there. For the first time in forever. Let's just call it delight. No wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let
Guys, so we just came out of Frozen. I really liked it personally. I thought it was a really good ride. On my bag, I just put a little sign that says, just ask if you want to have a little trade or a look. Since trading's gone so good today, I just want to keep it continuing and obviously help people finish collections and stuff if they want. So yeah, I've had like a couple of people come up, but not really had anything, neither of us. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on what's happening. Then we just go walk around the pavilions, grab a drink because I'm a bit tired and just have a little break. So yeah, I'll get back to you if anything happens or if we end up doing anything.
Is.
No.
Oh, is it here?
Hey guys, so for the past hour we've been pin trading, so I thought I'd just show you everything that we've got. We start with Hadley's board because he's got quite a few now. So first of all, he only needs the M for his Marvel Groot collection because me and my dad traded for some whilst he was having a little nap, didn't we? So he's now got the E, the L, then on this side the R and the V. And then he just traded for this little Groot one, which is really cute. And he traded for this Cheshire one quite a while ago. And then let me just grab my bag from my little bum bag.
I also got the Groot and the big monster from the Guardians Cosmic Rewind mystery box.
Yeah, they saw that.
So if you want any of them, you have to go to the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind shop at the end.
Yep. But then basically all of these ones are new, so I'll let you guys have a little look. I got a Toy Story one, Gaston one.
Also, Gracie's
Tramp
keeping
one.
hold of my Captain America Groot.
Yeah, that
so
one's
I don't have
Hadley's.
room on my gun board.
Yeah, so I actually traded this one for a Wave B one, the orange bird one. That's why I don't have it anymore. But I'll probably find it on the boards again. So yeah, that's just a little look, and I got this Cheshire Cat mug because I know that my mum collects them.
So
That's been all the trading basically right now.
Gracie's got quite a few hidden Mickeys from this year now, haven't you, Gracie?
Yeah, from Way Day and B. But now, right now, we're just eating at the Eagle like steakhouse, smokehouse. So yeah, just waiting for the food. So yeah, I think I got a barbecue burger with some mac and cheese. What did you get, Hadley?
A plain burger with double fries.
There. So yeah. Okay guys, we just ate. It was really nice. I enjoyed my meal. Did you like your meal, Hadley?
Yeah.
Yep.
We also did some pin trading.
Oh yeah, we got some more pins that I'll show you the ones that I got. First of all, I got this little guy, the Stitch one. I think his name's like Ruben or something. And then I got this one for my dad. It's the Captain Hook one. Then Hadley got a Hulk one and the Woolly Hidden Mickey from last year. Yeah, Hidden Mickey. Yep, from last year, like he said, he knows his pins. But now we're just heading over to go do the Figment ride. And, oh, what's the other one called we want to do? Mission Space, that's it. So,
We're also going to go do the most boring ride in Epcot, Living with the Lands.
yeah, I mean, maybe we live in
It
that.
might be the most boring ride, or it might be quite fun, I don't really know. It's basically my first time coming here in a long time.
Yep, but right now we're just in Italy, the Italy Pavilion. So we need to work all the way around to get there, so that's going to take a while. But so I'll see you at the other side of the pavilions. That one's good. That one's good. That one's good.
What's that like?
Them two. Enjoy them. That one's good. That one's good. That one's good.
Mama, was it the vegan water? Gracie, you said you were not busy.
Do you like that?
Gracie. I'm not busy.
What up?
What did you think to that one, Hadley?
I like this one better.
Okay guys, so we just came off of Mission Space. We did the orange one and it does make your stomach drop a lot, especially at the start. Hadley did the green one though. How did you find that?
I think the green one is better for kids than the orange one because only 7-year-olds or I fucking go on it, but I only just turned 7, so I'm not ready to go on it yet.
Yep. So yeah, that's that basically. We're just about to go on a journey in imagination with Figment. Never been on this, but I love Figment. So excited.
I'm quite excited too.
Yeah, we're all excited. So we're doing the standby, not the waiting line. It's only 5 minutes though, so it's probably going to be a walk on. But I'm so excited. I really want to go meet Figment maybe another day because he is my icon. He is an icon. He is a D-Rock. So yeah.
Welcome to our special drive-through open house. I'm Dr. Nigel Cherry, Chairman of the Imagination Institute. Hello. On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie coochie coo, and taste. Tastes like chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour. Our first stop is the Sound Lab. We'll begin by testing your hearing with a series of tones. Left ear, right ear. Left, right. What? This is odd. Hello? Who is this?
Figment.
Figment? I thought I told you not to interfere.
But you've got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely... Continuing now, if I may, in a calm, scientific, figment-free manner, the things we see with our eyes can control the eyes of the imagination. Let's begin by using the eye chart to test your vision. Now, All together, if you would please read line 3 and hit.
With F-I-G-M-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination.
Shows that smells often trigger the imagination, especially when pleasant, familiar smells come into play.
Come into play? I'd love to.
Figment, this is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll! Woohoo! You win 1 cent!
Figment, don't! Oh, yeah, that really stinks!
Of course, Doc. The nose knows. An innovation, imagination really comes around. They come right up and upside down.
And so, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast. Imagination, imagination. A dream can make a dream come true. With just that spark from me and you.
One little spark of inspiration is at the heart of all creation.
Okay guys, so we just came off of Figment and that's been my favourite ride so far. Not even gonna lie. What is over here? I don't know what's over here. We just got the exit. Okay. Sorry, I just got a bit. Yeah. But no, yeah, look at the exit of this. This is awesome. Oh, it's bing bong. But yeah, this is where you can also meet Figment. And by the looks of it, Inside Out characters, that's where you meet Figment. I'm pretty sure. And that's where you can meet Wreck-It Ralph. And some other characters, Vanellope, I'm pretty sure you can meet there as well. But yeah. So we're just gonna leave. I'm not sure what we're doing next, but I'll keep you guys updated. Hadley just bought me this cute little Figment pin, since he knows I love him so much, and I do. It's so cute. Guys, so we are just about to watch the Symphony of Us, the fireworks at Epcot, so I'm really excited to watch it. So yeah, exciting! No, that was just another announcement, that's why that video was just cut a bit, so I just wanted to listen out for it. And it's starting soon, it said. So yeah.
To the great gathering.
Welcome!
Benvenuti. Willkommen. Karibu. Mayin.
Willkommen!
Bienvenidos.
absolutely loved it. It was so pretty. I filmed the whole thing. So I hope you enjoy like I did. It was so magical. And look, they've got the lights back on it. It's just, it's so pretty and so magical. How did you find it, Dad?
Alright, no, really good.
How about you, Hadley?
Good.
He kept on gasping and going, wow, didn't you? Yeah. So I think we're gonna head back to the hotel. I am knackered. I need some sleep, don't we? Need to get some sleep. I'm tired. My feet hurt. But that's one tip that I definitely recommend. Bring Crocs though when you come to Disney, because they've been so comfy today. Dad took his trainers. You can take trainers, but I definitely recommend taking Crocs if you haven't, because I always take them and they're just really nice to walk in. So yeah. Get back to you guys when we get back to the hotel, show you all the pins we traded for, because today we traded for so much, haven't we?
Oh, so much. We traded with so many people.
Yep. So yeah, we'll get back and I'm trying to think if I bought anything today. I think I bought a couple of things. So I'll show you the things that I bought when I get back as well. So yeah, see you then.
Epcot's definitely the best place for pins.
Okay guys, so we're back at the hotel. I'm so tired right now, it's unreal. But thank you so much for watching day 5 of 10 of our Orlando trip. Stay notified for day 6, which is tomorrow. I'm not sure what we're doing, I think it's just going to be a lazy one. But yeah, if you like this content, please like and subscribe and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Like any pin videos or just days out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, stay magical.